Bottas and Vettel side by side. Bottas squeezes in and goes around the outside to try and take second place.
Oh, Lewis.
8 drivers who could get the final 2025 F1 seat. Let's see the list of 2025. Franco Colapinto. Franco Colapinto has made waves since replacing Logan Sargent at Williams, scoring more points into races than his predecessor did in 35. Now, he's in talks with Audi for 2025. Valtteri Bottas. Valtteri Bottas is a safe bet for Audi, offering experience and reliability. Despite a tough 2024 season with 0 points, his proven speed could be valuable for Sauber's future. Theo Pourchaire. Theo Pourchaire, Sauber's reserve driver, seemed a natural choice for 2025. However, after a year on the sidelines and a mixed IndyCar stint, his F1 future looks uncertain. Mick Schumacher. Mick Schumacher, son of the legendary Michael Schumacher, is eyeing a return to F1 with Sauber. Despite a challenging stint at Haas, his German nationality might appeal to Audi. Gabriel Bortoleto. Gabriel Bortoleto, leading the Formula 2 standings, is a strong contender. His impressive consistency and McLaren driver development program membership make him a promising candidate for the Sauber seat. Isaac Hadjar. Isaac Hadjar, a Red Bull junior, has progressed swiftly through the ranks. With limited opportunities at Red Bull, a move to Sauber could be his chance to join F1. Kevin Magnussen. Kevin Magnussen, known for his resilience, might return to F1 in 2025. Despite being outscored by his Haas teammate, his experience could make him a viable option for Sauber. Zhou Guanyu. Zhou Guanyu's future in F1 is uncertain. Despite matching his experienced teammates' pace, his name isn't frequently mentioned for 2025. His performance could still secure his spot on the grid.